In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up TikTok and going to your profile by selecting the profile icon down in the bottom right. And then from here, what you need to do is hit the little edit section right next to your profile name and scroll down and you're going to see a little link section on here. Go ahead and open it up. It's going to look something like this once you do so. And you'll see options for a bunch of different stuff. Really, you only have two options now. It's just a URL page and then a Lemon8 page, just like so. It used to have a bunch of different other options for stuff like YouTube, Instagram, a website link. Essentially just tap in whatever you want and then of course go ahead and put it in. Just keep in mind you either need a business account or at least 1,000 followers to use this feature, otherwise it will not work. To switch to a business account, go back to your profile and then hit the three lines up in the top right. From here, go ahead and find settings and privacy, open that up, find account on here, and then of course you need to find the business verification tab just like so. Select it and then switch to a business account. Now I'm not going to do that. I'd rather just keep my personal account, but that's just me. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.